A very pleasant good morning to all my students. You are welcome to another class of English grammar, and today is another day for standard 7th grammar, and we are continuing with cases. So I had told you, explained you about all the three types of cases, and now we are doing the exercises of possessive case. So in very detail I had explained you the use of apostrophe and how to use it, and उससे यूज करके पोजेसिव केस हम लोग कैसे बनाते हैं मैंने बहुत ही डिटेल में बता दिया है. सो इफ यू हैवंट वॉच देन यू मस्ट वॉच द वीडियो बिफोर दिस वन. ओके, so now look at the exercise C, which is in page number 35. Pick out the nouns in the possessive case. Okay, this man's mother cooks food. So here you have to choose the words nouns which are in possessive case. ठीक है, उस noun को pick करके इस blank में fill करना है जो भी possessive case में है. So here man's mother, who cooks food? Man's mother cooks food. So now next question, try to do it by yourself first. The soldier's job was difficult. Whose job was difficult? Soldier's job. Okay, so soldier's job is a possessive case here. Now next, we buy ornaments at the jeweler's shop. From whose shop do we buy ornaments? Jeweler's shop. Okay, now come to the next question. The teacher checked the students' homework. Whose homework the teacher checked? Students' homework. Now next, Ali and Khan's horses took part in horse race. So whose horses took part? Ali and Khan's horses. Ali and Khan's both horses took part in horse race. Now next, Ritik's wife is Sanjay Khan's daughter. Whose wife? Ritik's wife is Sanjay Khan's daughter. So both the words nouns are in possessive case. Ritik's wife and Sanjay Khan's daughter. Now we have completed this exercise C. Now come to exercise D. Complete these sentences, changing the word in the brackets in the possessive case. So words are given in brackets, and you have to change it in possessive case. And how you have to change it possessive case? By using apostrophe S. Okay, his house is hardly a stone's throw. So how you have to make possessive case? By adding apostrophe S. So stone's throw away from my house. So बस एक पत्थर की फेंकने इतना दूर उसका घर है. Okay. Question number 2. The dash chemist shop is at the end of this road. So chemist it is written. So we have to add apostrophe S in it. Chemist apostrophe S. This building will be completed in dash month's time. So it is month's time. Month apostrophe S. Tirupati Balaji dash temple is a famous pilgrimage. So Balaji and apostrophe S. Okay, now question number 5. Dash uniforms are sold here. So children it is written, so you have to add apostrophe S. So till question number 5 I have done. Next 5 question, it is very easy. So you have to do next question 5 questions by yourself. You just have to add apostrophe S and make possessive cases. So I hope you have understood. So write these questions in your grammar copy and complete it very soon. Okay. Thank you. That is for today.